Oh, very good morning, everybody. It's all gone slightly wrong here. As I made the mistake of coming into Broughty Ferry. I was going to do a video down here about one of the buildings, and I went into Marks and Spencer's to get my Choco pan. £1 for a Choco pan, man. Oh, mate. And I've got myself a little bit of chocolate chip shortbread as well. So £2.60 for my sweets today, basically. Marks and Spencer's, what a mistake that was, man. The women in there, what's the matter with them? Goodness me. One had a trolley full and there was some more shopping sitting at the one side, and she was £18 or something, and then she wanted £50 cash back. £50 cash back. And then the other woman butted in and was, oh dear, and that 50, you go to the bank for £50. No wonder this world's going wrong. Marks and Spencer's, honestly, disaster, man. I'm in a mood now. It's like the birds, man, the film. They are everywhere. Hey, do you want a bit? Yeah, a bit. Getting closer. Or the bonnet, I should say. There he is. Right, here we are then. Just finished the croissants. They were definitely worth £1 each, man. They were lovely, big chunky things with loads of chocolate through them. Delicious. I'm not in a mood anymore. That was me just letting off steam, I think. That was all. But yeah, it's like a scene from The Birds. Got a seagull on the bonnet. I've got them surrounding me here. So it's obviously because it's so cold and snowy. Yeah, so it's been a bit of a disaster this morning, but I can't get much achieved. I was going to go and do that video, but it's just so slushy and horrible on the ground. I've only got my Crocs on as well, which is a bit daft, you know. So just finished my breakfast now. It's coming up for about 11:10, I think. So just going to sort of dawdle into work now. Stop drooling over my car. Well, what is it? There's nothing here for you, man. Off you go. Pop. Bye-bye. Out we go onto virgin snow. Well, folks, here we have this Marks and Spencer's shortbread with chocolate chip through it. So this cost me 60p for this square slice. So it's about 2 inches by 2 inches. So what's that? That's about 15p per square inch. Crikey, right. So here we are. We have marked off a square inch of it. So this costs 15p. So let's see if it's worth. Very good. At 7.5p a bite, basically. Very nice indeed. The shortbread is nice and crumbly. It just melts, and then you get the bite of the chocolate. Yep, that is good, man. I'll get that again. So we have a 7 out of 10. It's not really a bun, biscuit. So we'll go give it a 7 out of 10. With a cup of tea goes down a treat. Thank you, folks. 11. Now, it's Friday the 13th today, so why is Friday the 13th considered unlucky? Or indeed, why is 13? Hello, Eddie. Why is 13 considered unlucky? Well, we reckon it's something to do with the 12 disciples, and the 13th, Judas Iscariot, the traitor, was the 13th disciple, so maybe that's why it is unlucky. But tonight we have a bit of a, what do you call it? A controversial decision. I'm going to stay at the work for my tea tonight. I'm just going to have a burger and chips. I'm starving, man, and Rosie doesn't finish till 4:30, so that is why we're going to stay. I won't stay, I'll finish my tea and then go home, but just fancy something quick and stodgy to eat. Right, folks. Oh, what's happened here? Hang on. Oh, I've got a malfunction here with my hat. Hang on. For goodness sake. Right, put it down. There we go. Right, now I've come down here to the Brotty Ferry front here because it looks like it's going to be a really nice sunset tonight, folks. So, as you can see that behind me there, or maybe not. Hang on, so I'll press this. Bring it into focus. No, it's not happening. Oh, there it is. There we go. Look at that. Wonderful. Beautiful vista we have here. So I'm just going to go for a little stroll just to the bridge probably, because I've only got my daft Crocs on. Just come from work, folks. I thought I'd just get a little stroll in before we head back to the house. Dare I go down? Oh. I've just noticed in the wall here we have this spear thistle, something else there, a common orach or something. I take it that's supposed to be the name of the plants. Oh, here we've got some more. Rose, an thistle, I think that's supposed to be a thistle. Oh, and a ragwort. Oh, all the names are missing, which is a shame. Yeah, so it must be some of the plants right up here. What else we got? Musco something. A common. Ah, there we go. Eh? Sticky willy. Where is that? Sticky willy. Don't know. Yeah, so it must be quite nice coming along here in the summer and getting to look at all the names of the plants and identify them. Oh, great idea. Yes, most impressed with that I am. Right, we're almost at the bridge. It's absolutely freezing cold, man. I think I've only got my gloveless fingers on. My fingerless gloves. Hopefully a train will come by, because I like standing on a bridge when a train comes underneath it. You get a right whoosh. Right, here's the bridge. Very old bridge, this one. You can see by the steel work there. So there's look at the purples, man, look at them. Whoa, wonderful. Glorious. Oh, there's a train coming. A train coming, folks. Oh, don't slip, Jack, don't slip, quick. Oh, I'm gonna miss it, Oh. Come on, Jag, we can make it. We can make it. Come on, Jag, you can do it. Come on, Jag. Pound those legs on my knee. I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to make it. I'm going to be sick. Ah, I missed it. Drat. Oh, crikey. There it goes. We're in the distance. Dear, oh dear. Oh, there's that person coming back again. What's she up to? Right, well, as I was running up the bridge, something caught my eye. And here it is, it's some sort of mosaic or something. Let's see what it is. Here it is. Right, what is this? Remedy for a heavy heart. Remedy for a bored dog. Remedy for tired words. Remedy for dragging feet. Remedy for an old sea. By N.R. So what is the remedy? I don't know. Right, well here's the seat that I was filming before the train come. Seating designed and handmade by Jane Wilkinson. The ghost of Tappy Burrows under an upturned boat is home a spent match. Weird. What's all that about? Right folks, it's just too cold now. I'm going to have to head back. My hand's hanging off. Tricky. Right, just a quick stroll along the this little bit, but I'm heading back now folks, so next time I see you will be in the nice cosy warmth of my house. Right, let's get back. Right, there's the Royal Tay Yacht Club. Just turned around and look at that sky. Wonderful, isn't it?